Bachelor and I'm a registered dietitian, and today I'm going to show you how to make a low-fat, sugar-free gingerbread cake. I really like this recipe because it's quick and it's easy. First, I'm going to take 2 cups unsweetened applesauce, 1 1/3 cups molasses, 1/3 cup of canola oil, and 3 eggs. I'm going to blend all of the wet ingredients together. After you have all the wet ingredients blended, just set it aside, and now it's time to blend together your dry ingredients. First, you're going to take 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can substitute about 1 1/2 cups of whole wheat flour for that all-purpose if you want to add a little extra flour or a little extra fiber. Next, you're going to add 1 cup of a sugar substitute. I like to use stevia baking blend. Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, about 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. Mix together your dry ingredients just so that you get them incorporated. Then you're ready to mix with your wet ingredients. Once again, blend together. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Once it's blended together, you're ready to pour it in a pre-greased bundt pan. Once it's in the pan, stick it in a 350-degree oven for about 50 to 60 minutes until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. And here we have it, our low-fat, sugar-free gingerbread cake. It's only 150 calories per slice and 30 grams of carbohydrates. So enjoy!